so if you guys can't guess, I already, in the same video, I installed the paint reflectors, paint matched. And I decided I'm gonna pull out the car, back it in, get it on jack stands, and try to install this Laptorr lip. So let's put the car up and then we'll start from there. I have the lip hidden behind the Peloton on many of my storage racks I have in the garage. And these are actually the side pieces that go on the side of the car that I thought were supposed to cover the paint reflector, but it doesn't. So there are two separate ways you can do it. You can put it on as is, or some people did have them molded to the car, which I didn't want to go through that process. We're just gonna go ahead and put them over the reflectors itself. So let me put these down and grab the actual lip itself. So if you guys didn't watch my earlier video, I did pick up the Laptorr Japan lip, and I got a color match secure orange for now. I'm actually planning on wrapping the bottom, some bits and pieces of it carbon to kind of break it up. And I did want to get the carbon version from the get-go. However, it was an additional 4-month wait, which I was not patient enough to wait. So I did go ahead and get the fiberglass version, and we'll wrap it eventually. But right now, I'm gonna let the paint continue to cure for a couple more weeks before I actually wrap it. But I'm gonna go ahead and still install it on the car. So guys, here's a closer look of the Laptorr. Again, this is one of the side pieces, or fins, whatever you want to call it, but this is the bottom lip itself. And oh, holy crap. Shout out to Kid Combo Duto for painting my parts and hooking it up. It looks amazing, guys. All right, guys, so we got the jack stand up. First thing we're gonna have to do is take out the two passenger and driver's side under tray. Let's take that off. And that's gonna be a couple 8mm bolts, guys. There's one. And we have the lip, guys. Let's see. All right, so we got the lip. I think it might be a little hard putting this on by myself, but we're gonna go for it anyways. Hopefully this box is tall enough. Let's do this. So, you guys didn't see this, but I did prep and clean this part where the lip sits on top right now. The kit also comes with 6 self-tappers, which I'm about to self-tap right now. Underneath, there are already holes for the self-tappers to go through. I only saw 4 of them, so I don't even know where the other 2 are supposed to go, but we'll figure it out. So it turns out with this under tray, if you want to use this, you have to trim a little bit of this edge to make it fit underneath. I don't know how to really explain it, but we're just gonna cut it. All right, guys, so it's actually the next day. I had a good friend visit from out of town. So I did take a break, but we're gonna finish the install today. And what we already went ahead and did, if you guys could see this piece right here, I already laid the 3M out on the edges. And what I did instead, it came with this 3M tape, not even sure if it's 3M, but it's double stick tape. Instead of using this small strip, I'm using the big 30-pound boy. And I'm really afraid because once it touches it, it's gonna be on there pretty hard. So I'm hoping that I get this right on the first time, because if I don't get it, then it's gonna be hard. So there's these grooves on the bottom lip that I gotta have lined up. Once it's lined up, I can go ahead and place it. So what we're gonna do first, and I usually don't do this, is just go ahead and peel the top and leave it hanging on the side so I can peel it later. What you guys didn't see is I already cleaned both surfaces. Oh, thank goodness. All right, let's get this up. Keep these two pieces on the side. I got it where I want it. Looks pretty good right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press against this. Peel off the back side first. Oh, fuck. I'm really hoping I get this on the first try. It's pretty good, but there's some space in between it. I don't know how I'm gonna get that flush. Let me show you guys a side view real quick. Probably it would have looked way nicer if I molded it, but you know, for what it is, pretty good. We're gonna drop the car. Fuck. That looks crazy. Holy shit, that looks crazy. Oh my god. And there you guys go. We have, holy crap guys, I don't know how I'm gonna make it out of my driveway like this, but oh my god. Guys, I won't be able to stop staring at this for a while. This is crazy. I can't wait to wrap it, the bottom part carbon, but it looks crazy. Holy shit. It looked weird up in the air, but dude, it looks crazy right now. All right, guys, 2 days to install this lip after it got painted. My thoughts, it was looking kind of weird when it was up on the jack stands, but once I dropped the car, holy crap, does it look amazing. I think it looks amazing that it extends out the fronts, bottom center of the bumper. The side pieces are beautiful, especially with the canards. I do have some things that I don't like about it. The front bottom lip fit perfectly. This is all lined up perfectly, but if you do get this lip and you end up using the 3M tape, either that one or you buy, you know, stronger 3M tape, there's gonna be a little bit of a gap, as you may notice already, in between the side pieces and the actual bumper. But what I decided to do, I'm gonna run it like this for a while. I already have it on there. I'm not gonna peel it off and risk peeling the paint, but I will be in the market to purchase the used M4 or M3 bumper that's hopefully secure orange. I might just end up buying a separate bumper and having it repainted as well. But this is probably gonna be my my show bumper, my track bumper, whatever you wanna call it. I'll eventually get the two side pieces molded. I will not mold the bottom because it fits perfectly and it'll be nice to take it off and on as needed to do repairs and whatnot if needed, or if I'm going somewhere too low, I can just easily take this off. But eventually I wanna be able to get the carbon air ducts as well and cut out the splitter part, put in the carbon air ducts. So I'll probably just have my guy, shout out to Kid Combo again for painting this stuff, but have him mold the pieces to the bumper as well as install the air ducts, because I don't trust myself cutting and fitting that on there. But for now, I think it looks perfect. I'm gonna run it as it is. With the 3M, there's a little bit of gap, but in pictures you won't be able to notice, and it looks freaking amazing. But this is the Laptorr Japan lip. I know the test fit video got a lot of views, and a lot of you guys are gonna actually enjoy this. So there it is, installs pretty easy. The only thing you gotta worry about, or any modifications you need to do underneath to the tray, is you just need to do a little bit of trimming with a Dremel to have it fit in there. Super easy, didn't take up too much time. I actually didn't record exactly what parts I cut, but if you guys end up doing it, you'll figure it out for yourself. Pretty simple to spot where you need to cut. But other than that, I want to say this install was pretty easy. It's just really scary because, you know, it's a very expensive lip, so you want it to look perfect, and it will end up looking perfect when it's molded. But I thank you guys for watching the video for this long. Hopefully this helps you guys if you guys are on the edge about purchasing or investing this much money into this lip. I think it changes the look of the car, and honestly the best looking lip that there is out there. So thanks for watching. There's gonna be a lot more content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and thank you again. Peace.